Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a payment request on Payoneer to receive money step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Payoneer website or app and log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you're signed in, go to the top menu and click on Get Paid. From the drop-down menu, select Payment Request. On the next page, click Send a Payment Request. You'll see two options, Request with Auto-Generated Invoice or Standard Request. For this tutorial, select Standard Request and continue. Now choose a client you've already billed. If this is a new customer, click Add New Payer and enter their required details. After that, select your preferred payment method and click Next. On the following screen, enter the amount you want to request, choose the correct currency, set a payment due date, and add a brief description of the products or services you're requesting payment for. Double check all the information to make sure it's accurate. Once everything looks good, click Next. Review the payment request details one final time, then click Request Payment. That's it. Your payment request will be sent directly to your client. They'll receive an email with instructions on how to complete the payment, and you can track the request status from your Payoneer account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.